Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my class. Today, we are going to learn about the topic why. This is the fourth unit of class 4 English. In this unit, we will be directed towards different questions arise in our mind. Being a student or being a child, we have thousands of questions in our mind, and we don't know the answer of all the questions, but still we ask why. So let's start the lesson. You can see here, this is the first stanza of why poem. I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this, why that, why then, why now, why not, why by the by. I know a curious little boy. Here you can see two words are there. One is curious, another is little. Means the boy is little, means it is a small boy, and at the same time he is a curious boy. Curious means a person who is interested to know new things. Because who is always asking why? That boy is always asking why. Means he is asking many questions like you. As you ask many things in the class, that why this sir, why that sir, like that, that boy was also asking many questions. Why this, why that, why then, why now, why not, why by the by. Means different questions are there in the mind of that little boy. And what are those questions? Let's see. He wants to know why wood should swim, why lead and marble sing, why sun should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. Many questions are there. He want to know the first question, why wood should swim. If we put a wood on the water, it will swim because it's light. But he wants to know, as the boy don't know the answer. He want to know why lead and marble sing. Lead means a metal, a heavy metal, and marble, you know, the colored ball, colored glass ball. If you will put lead and marble into the water, definitely it will sink, means it will go down into the water. And why sun should shine and wood wind should blow, means why the sun is shining, why the wind is blowing. All these questions arising in the mind of the student. And why we eat and drink. Even the student or the child is thinking that why we eat, why we drink. Even he don't know the answer that why we eat and why we drink, because it is a very small child. The next stanza, he wants to know that makes the clouds. He wants to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky, why sinks the sun behind the hills, and why the flowers die. Means he wants to know why, what makes the clouds, what forms the cloud, means cloud is made of what, and why they cross the sky, where they are floating in the sky, why they are traveling in the sky, why they are crossing in the sky. Many questions are there. Why sinks the sun behind the hills, why in the evening the sun sinks, means go down behind the hills. Why the flowers die. You know, when the flowers are there in the morning, it looks very fresh, but when by the end of the day, if you will move to the flowers tree, you can see the all the flowers are very diet conditions. Even in the next day, if you will see, all the flowers are on the ground, they fall on the ground. So these questions also arise in the mind of that little boy. So the next stanza, some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you will try. Others no one ever yet has found the reason why. Means some of the whys are not too hard. Some questions are not too hard to answer if you will try, because you are not that small, you are at least 10 years of age, so you can answer some of the questions from the above list, and others no one ever yet, and some questions have not yet answered by anyone has found the reason why. Means some questions are still unanswered, still it has no answer, but some question if you will try you can answer. So here you can see a number of new words. Let's know the words. First one is curious, and the meaning of this word is eager to know or learn something new. Means the student or the child or the person who wants to know new things, they are called curious. Lead. Lead is one type of metal. It is heavy and little bit grayish color, dark grayish color. It is heavy, that's why if you will put lead into the water it sinks. Marble, very much aware about you. A small ball of colored glass. You might have played marbles, and it is made of colored glass. It looks very beautiful. Sink means go down below the surface of water or anything else. Means if you will put any heavy metals in the water it will sink. For example, if you will put the lead and marble it will sink, like that. Sink is also used for go down of any materials. For example, the sun is going down beyond the hills, it is also called sink. And the next one, reason, means why, the cause for an action or event, why it is happening, the reason behind the happening, the cause behind the happening. So the reason means a cause for an action or event. So this is all about the poem Why. We will move to the next lesson or next part about the question answer discussion of why in the next video. So for till the time, stay home, stay safe. If you have any queries you can visit our blog superkvns.blogspot.com, or you can directly write into akm.kvs@gmail.com. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Take care.